Good morning, everyone. I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for joining us for today's International Symposium for Kokoro Research Center Interdisciplinary Research Project. This is a kick-off symposium to celebrate the launch of our new interdisciplinary research scheme. Our theme today is Pursuing Well-being in Cultural Context, Humans, Societies, and the Environment in a Globalizing World. My name is Masataka Nakayama, Assistant Professor at Kokoro Research Center. It is my pleasure to be an MC for this event. Today, we are honored to invite three distinct speakers from the field of social and cultural psychology and environmental science to discuss fostering well-being in today's globalizing and diversifying society. They will each present us with a lecture and join a panel discussion at the end. At this time, I'd like to invite our director, Professor Toshio Kawai, to begin our program. Professor Kawai, please.
And dear presenters, dear colleagues, dear viewers, I'm very happy to welcome you to this international and interdisciplinary symposium. This symposium aims to investigate well-being in cultural and environmental context. The context and necessity for this is the challenges that global society and academia are facing today. Advances in science, technology, and the global economy have brought about convenient and better lives, but have also created problems that were never experienced in the past, such as worsening economic inequality and threats to the natural environment. The pursuit of individual happiness has led to growing disparity in wealth among both individuals and communities. The advancement of human convenience and happiness by using and even exploiting nature through science and technology seems to have come to its limit. Global warming is an example which shows the end of this paradigm. Ecology is gaining more and more importance, but even the idea of ecology as such creates conflicts with cultural and traditional values. Academia, which has facilitated the progress of science and technology, has now been compelled to review its paradigm and to gain a more holistic view. This can be achieved through the use of interdisciplinary approaches and especially through the involvement of humanities and social sciences, which can take the viewpoint of values into account. In this context, sustainability is advocated as a new paradigm instead of progress and development. Furthermore, instead of the pursuit of individual human happiness, more attention is paid to well-being, which embraces various societies and even nature. This means that we need a perspective which bridges the gap between the individual and the community and the conflict between human world and nature. Following this intention, we'd like to explore well-being from various and interdisciplinary viewpoints in this symposium. My colleague, Professor Yukiko Uchida, social and cultural psychologist, shows the interconnectedness of our lives and others, and explores the concept of interdependent happiness. Professor Bertram Malley, social and cognitive psychologist, focuses on norms to discuss the relationship between individuals and communities and emphasizes the roles of blame and punishment. Dr. Tsuyoshi Watanabe, earth and environmental scientist, illustrates the life and history of corals amidst changing environments, which can give us hints about interactions between human individuals, communities, and societies. After these three presentations, we'd like to discuss and to gain new perspectives on well-being through interdisciplinary exchanges. Because of the continuing restriction caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, we are compelled to hold this symposium hybrid, partially on-site here at Kyoto University and Dr. Male and many audiences online. It is a pity, but it is also an important occasion to think about well-being in connection with the COVID-19 pandemic, the relationship between human beings and animals, vulnerability of human beings in contemporary world. This symposium is held to commemorate the launch of an international collaborative research platform by the Kokoro Research Center, Kyoto University, based on the university's mission of presenting knowledge in the humanities and social sciences internationally and promoting interdisciplinary research activities based on this. We hope this symposium will contribute to this purpose and bring us new insights into our being on the earth. Thank you.